We're gonna change the oil and the air filter. I did get all the parts for my oil filter and my air filter from FridayParts.com. And we're gonna look at all of this today. We're gonna change the oil, blow out the filters, get everything greased up. We've been using Friday Parts for probably, golly, 6 years now, 6, 7 years, something like that. And so we're confident in Friday Parts. What we'll do is I'll go ahead and get the oil draining, then I'll pump the hood and I'll start cleaning out the air filters and all that stuff, get that replaced while the oil is draining. Let's get the oil drained, and while that's draining, we'll work on other stuff. Starts to drain. Start on the air filter, get that up. We'll clean my elements too. I should be able to, yeah, I can get that out. Some tractors you have to turn the tire to get the element out. They're not horrible, but still enough to cause some trouble. Air cleaner is super easy to remove. Take the rubber strap off. This comes out. Just undo the latches. Like I say, this process is not hard at all. Now the 574 does not have an inner air filter, so we're gonna replace this one with a new one from Friday Parts. You got the new one. Slap that hammer knocker in there. Nice and secure. You guys feeling pretty comfortable so far? I'm gonna set it back there. Remember that strap we took off? Well, now we're gonna replace that strap. And now, bada boom, bada bing, Bob's your uncle, right? Let's get an air hose and clean out the filters. Definitely gonna breathe easier now, which is, you know, good for the performance of the motor. Put this one on here. This one went in between here like so. This one's the hard one to put on. There we go. I think I will put those bolts back on it just because, you know. Let's get this filter off here. Let's get that oil filter off. All right, so we're just gonna take a little bit of oil, put it around the O-ring here, and let me put let me fill up just a little bit of oil. We'll add just a little bit, just on there like so. Now for an oil filter, you're going to tighten it by hand. There you go. Your oil filter is done, and we'll get it tightened down, fill it full of oil, check the oil levels. Today is the 5th of May. May 6, 519 hours. Okay, let's get the fuel filter changed. I think that's important. Fuel filter housing. Super easy to get to, no problem. There we go. All right. Break out the pick to get this one loosened up a little bit. There we go. Put the new one on. All right. Button her back up. I just checked the oil. The oil is empty. So we add oil. That's all we do, and we are done with this service. Again, I'm going to grease everything. That's just taking a grease gun to the tractor. I mean, you should be doing that pretty much. Let's see where she's at on the dipstick. Oh, right there at the full mark. Y'all see that? Right there at the full mark. So that's perfect. That's perfect. Perfect. All right. I'm also going to check around the oil filter. No leaks there, no leaks here, no leaks there. So check out FridayParts.com. They have everything you need.